How to save Telegram stickers to gallery. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Telegram stickers to your phone's gallery. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Telegram app and then go to that stickers that you want to save. So let's say for example, if I want to save these stickers, so here tap on this sticker, then here tap on these three dots, then tap on copy link. Now go back. Now here tap on search in the top right corner and search for stickers downloader. Then go to this bot sticker downloader, tap on start, paste the link here. After pasting, tap on send. Now you have to wait for a few minutes and the bot will send you the link to download the stickers. You will get a message like this. So here tap on download, then wait for it to download. Then after it's downloaded, you have to tap on these three dots, tap on save to downloads. Now go to your phone's file manager, then go to storage, then here go to download, and in download go to Telegram, and here you will see this sticker pack. This is the sticker pack. Press and hold it, tap on the three dots, and then you have to decompress the file. If your phone cannot decompress it, open Play Store, search for RAR, you download this app RAR, and through it you can decompress it. So my phone can decompress the file, so I'm gonna decompress it. Now after you have decompressed the file, open that file, then again tap on open, and here are all the stickers. So now if I go to my phone's gallery, and you can see that all of the stickers are here in my gallery. So this is how you can save Telegram stickers to your phone's gallery. Thanks for watching.